Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessie and I love making all day whole house clean with me's. Today's clean with me is more about how I stay motivated, what products I use, and how I keep my house straight with 2 teenagers. I am very excited to share that this video is sponsored by Bagat Air Fryer. They sent me one and I'm going to tell you all about its functions and how much my family loves this thing a little bit longer in the video. And also I'm going to tell you how you can get your very own for free, so stay tuned for that. But right now, let's just get on with the cleaning motivation.
I've got 30 minutes if you want to spill your mind. Give me all your reasons to why I should take my time. Used to have forever, but you never cared that much. Just tell me why I should give you more than a goodbye, baby. Why you won't tell me why you won't do it again, do it again.
Leave a comment below if you would like to see me do a deep clean and declutter of my house. You saw my trunk is just filled with junk. I got too much junk in my trunk, my coffee table trunk, that is. So yeah, if you guys would like to see me do a deep clean and declutter now that the kids are back to school, just leave a comment below and I will make that happen. Get comments all the time asking me, how do I stay motivated? How do you have so much energy? And the answer is, I am not always motivated. I do not always have energy. I drink copious amounts of coffee. No, but really, basically the best advice I can give you is to just get started. Starting is the hardest part. I can tell you that. Some days I just come home and I don't want to do a darn thing, but I know that I'm going to have mad regrets if I don't get up. So I say focus on one thing and say, you know what, I'm only cleaning my living room today, or I'm only just gonna vacuum really quick, or just get the dishes done. And more often than not, once you start that task, you get the motivation to finish the kitchen or move on to the living room or whatever, you know, is on your to-do list. So my best advice is just get up, get started, watch some of my cleaning videos. Hopefully they give you some motivation. Thing that I am obsessed with keeping clean is my glass top stove. I can't stand it when it has crumbs on it or burnt food or stuck on food. So I do try to get that cleaned up every single day and make it nice and shiny. It just makes me really happy.
So long since I get a glimpse of a light, it's blurring out my eyes. We should open up a window. I can't see clear. I know how to window, cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits.
If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I love to cook, I love food. So when Bagat reached out to me and said, hey, do you want to review this air fryer on your channel? And we will also send one for you to give away to your followers. I said yes, yes, yes. I am making my buffalo chicken egg rolls right here. Look how easy it is. And that's it. I just pop them right in the air fryer, hit start, and in 10 minutes, enough time to go and clean my dishes, my lunch will be ready. I do have a recipe up in the iCards in the description box below already on my channel about how to make those buffalo egg rolls, so you guys can go check that out if you want to. But I just love how easy it is to use the air fryer. I think it is definitely going to be a staple thing in my house. I love how easy it is to change the temperature and the time duration, but they also have predetermined menus that you could just hit: 1 for frozen fries, 2 for homemade fries, 3 for nuggets, and so on and so on. It's just very easy to navigate. And it's so easy, my kids can use it, and anything that they can kind of like make themselves and be self-sufficient, I am here for.
Staying night after night, 'cause you're mine. 'Cause it's just my habit, I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits, just my habits, I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she loves my habits.
Wait a second, I don't need you. Then why so settled? I miswithdrew. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stay too much 'cause you don't understand. You got me going. You don't
My dining room wasn't too crazy. I had to get my kids some more school supplies. I feel like every week they give me another list. And of course I had to stop by Dollar Tree to get some Halloween decor. I love Dollar Tree for decor. But if you had watched my video from last Thursday, you know this dining room was an absolute mess, and I cleaned it up. So there really wasn't too much crazy going on in here, but I still wanted to go in there and tidy it up before the kids got home and piled all their stuff back on the table.
'Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster. When I'm with you, I feel different, like I'm brand new. Let's ignore it. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never ever.
And I have said on here before that I don't always make my bed as soon as I get up. I'm not one of those people. I get up at 5:30 in the morning. I'm not one of those people that get up and immediately make their bed. My dog, my pug Sammy, who surprisingly was not in the bed when I was making it today, likes to sleep in a little bit longer than I do. So I don't like to disturb him, but I do like to try to get my room a little bit straight before the kids get home. That way I can get to my desk and get to work, because I edit every single day. I film every single day, Monday through Friday, so I like to have a nice clean workspace, and since my workspace is in my room, I might as well go ahead and clean the whole room.
But now I am telling you, I'm going to smile, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck, and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky.
Thank you so much for choosing my video to get you inspired and motivated to clean your house today. As usual, I love it when you guys leave a comment below telling me exactly what you got up and tackled after watching my video. It just makes me so happy to see all the comments with, I got the laundry done, I cleaned my kitchen. I don't know, it just makes me so happy. Also, you can head over to my Instagram. I'm giving away a brand new Bagat air fryer over there, so if you would like a chance to get your very own air fryer and live your best life with it, because I know I am obsessed with that thing, go over there and check out my Instagram to win one for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I make cleaning motivation videos weekly, Monday and Thursdays.
Lucky me.